Hey everyone, it's your girl Joy Lene and welcome to Pure Joy Lifestyle. If you stumbled upon my channel for the first time, welcome, happy to have you here. If you are a subscriber or a returning follower, thanks for coming back. Before we get into today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to get notifications so that you guys don't miss anything. And also follow me on Instagram at pure.joylifestyle. And I'll leave that link for you guys below in the description in case you want to follow me on Instagram, because we're kind of litty over there on Instagram. It's lit. So before we get into today's video, I just want to do a quick roundup of everything that I'm wearing. Right now I have on Uma Beauty Foundation. I'm trying it out for the first time, so let me know what you guys think. And I also have on Uma Beauty the contour stick as well as the highlighter. Again, not too shabby. And on my lips, I have BFF4 Shayla, the Color Pop line. And I also have on a Color Pop lip from their lippy sticks. I love their lippy sticks. This one is in the color Parker, and it is matte. It's a nice kind of like pink nude kind of color with a mauve. I'm trying to get more into my nude bag. You know, your girl, I love a bold lip. However, there's something to be said for a nude color, and I also took the liberty of swatching this for you, so that's what the color looks like. And then I topped it off with Maybelline's Lifter Gloss. Is it Lifter? Lifter Gloss. This is the best thing that Maybelline has done since their mascara. If you don't have this, you are sincerely missing out. I'm wearing the color Amber, and it's just a really, really nice peachy, pinky kind of nude. So I love it. And this shirt, I got this from ASOS. I got this a few years back from ASOS, so I don't even know if they still have it, but go ahead and browse and be sure to look for it if you're interested. Alrighty, let's get into today's video because it's going to be all about my LTL London bag. Now, just a little background story. I'm not really a collector of bags or shoes. I'm more of a clothes, makeup kind of girl. I don't really like repeating outfits, fun fact. But I don't have many purses. I have the standard black bag. I have a standard brown bag, but I have no bags of colors or of any fancy designs. Usually my bag is just pretty simple. So I wanted to kind of, you know, get a little fancy. I love some of the looks of these designer bags. The looks are awesome. However, me personally, I can't fathom spending thousands of dollars on a bag. I don't even want to spend $800 on a bag. So I came across this line, LTL London, and they make bag dupes. Amazing. So I got a Chanel bag dupe. I'm not exactly sure what the name is of the Chanel bag. I see it all the time. If I find it, I'll place it here. I'll place the picture here in case I find it. But I did get a dupe, and I'm really, really excited about it. The price was amazing. So let me get into the bag and stop with all my sauce. So just a little background story. LTL London, obviously the name is London, so it is in Europe. I'm here in Florida in the United States, so I did have to pay in pounds, and again, I converted it before I did everything, so all the prices on this site are physically in pounds. And because of it, and because of COVID, it did take exactly 3 weeks, so a full 21 days for my bag to get here. Nevertheless, it was worth the wait. I actually got 2 bags, but I'm only going to show you guys one. And I have yet to look at this one. I peeked at the other one, but I haven't looked at this one. So this will be a genuine reaction. And I hope that it is what it looks like on the site and what I ordered. So it came in this little duster bag. It says LTL London, where luxury meets affordability. I love that slogan because it was definitely affordable. I want to say this bag, and again, I got it on sale, so it was 30% off. With the 30% off, I believe I paid 54 pounds, which is like rough math here. I think it's like 70-something dollars, so it wasn't expensive at all. I do wish that I got a fancy box, like you know how when you get like your Chanel and your Louis, even Adrian Houghton's line Lavoute, how you get like the little boxes. I wish I got a box, but I'll take a duster bag. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like here, and this is a little, oh, okay, so it's a clasp, so you push your thumb on it and then it opens up. It doesn't have to be your thumb, it could be anything. Okay, Feels nice material. Okay, so it has a front pocket here and another pocket in the back there. All right, so first impression. I am not a fan of the way that this material feels in here. It's like, it's not soft, that's for sure. It's hard. And I guess when I wanted something a little bit softer, it's hard. And it feels like if you were to put it on yourself, like if it were closed, it'd be itchy. So I'm not a fan of that. There's a little zipper inside the bag here. So again, if you have things that you want to put away that you don't want falling out, you can zip it. And they go pretty deep in the different slots here. It's pretty deep in there. You can fit a decent amount of stuff in here. I'm not sure exactly what you are carrying if you're a big purse carrier, but this isn't the large, by the way. This is just the classic size. It does come in a small and a large size, I believe. I know it comes in a larger size, but this is not her. Okay. And then you can kind of see the grooves. Now this is soft. It's really soft. It looks like it got smushed a little bit not packaging. But while I was getting here en route. And this tag just says LTL London. And it has the strap on it, as you can see here. And you can keep it on and wear it like this. And you see where the strap falls, it's short. Or you can do the standard, take it, pull it through, and then your chain strap will now be longer. Okay. I probably would keep it to the 2. But yeah, this is the bag. I gotta be honest, I'm not a fan of this material. Like, it's soft, don't get me wrong. It just feels really, really cheap. So, okay, interesting. Now again, this part here, the flap looks nice, but like looking at this, I don't like how this is all bent. I might stick some paper in here or something to kind of like push that out, but I'm not a fan. But this is the bag. And then I'm gonna slow it down and show you guys a full 360 look at this bag. Okay, I wasn't going to show you guys the other one just because I don't need y'all all in my business. You don't need to know every bag that I have. But I like the other bag a little bit more. And since I'm not a fan of this bag, I don't want to remount the company all the way altogether, just because I do like the next bag that I have. And it came in a white duster bag. And this is also a dupe. And if I can find the dupe picture, I'll put it here. Now this one is a lot nicer. And as you see here, the straps have been wrapped. This one, it looks like somebody just finished stitching this yesterday and they took their time, they wrapped it. This was packaged with love and with care. This one, that looked like somebody bought it, returned it, and they just threw it in there. That's what that looks like. Now look at this one. You see how this one is not as dented there. It's nice and full. It just looks really, really nice. When I pulled this out, and now this was the first one that I pulled out. When I pulled it out, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I'm pleased. Okay, so this is super duper nice. And look at that. And this one's really cool because it has the pockets in the back. So again, you can stick your little phone in there or something. I'll stick my lipstick in here. Okay. And then this one has a little button, and well, not a button, I guess a button. And you take it and you turn it, and now you can open. You heard that click? That click. Now this is my favorite part of the bag. Look at that. You see? Hold on. Let me open this one up. red lining. That is so pretty. I love this color combo. So, and this one has a lot of pockets and a lot of space. So you have, let me show you. You have this front flap here. It's tight, not a lot of space there. But you have this one here, and it has 2 pockets in there. And then this buttons over. And then you have this flap here. And then you got a little zipper component right here. So you can stick stuff in there. Well, not really. Okay. That's not that deep. Let me see if I can stick my lipstick in here. Okay, nope, it's not that deep. This is more so for decoration, but you still have this flap back here, and then you have this inside, and you also have this compartment. And the red lining is all throughout this bag. So I'm really happy with this one, and the size is perfect. I love this color. It gives me a very elegant feel. I feel like I can wear this to work. I also feel like I can bring this to church, or if I'm going to a wedding, I feel like I can wear this to a wedding as well. So I love the versatility of this bag. And it has the chain handles as well. And again, if you want to, you can take it and make it longer, or you can make it short. And it catches me a little bit below, right here, just not too far down. Whoop. So yes, so I like that bag much better than I like the second one. I'm not pleased at all. I am going to wear it for a little bit, see how I like it, see how it holds up with the wear and tear, and I'll let you guys know on my Instagram if I would officially recommend that bag. Now, again, I do understand that you get what you pay for. It was an expensive bag, so I'm not complaining, but I still spent some money and I still want my bag to look nice. So, again, this is, the black one is the Cali bag, and this one is a chevron something. Don't quote me on the name. I'll put it down below, the exact names. The black bag, I know it's called the Cali bag, and then I'll put the name of the tan one down here. And if you guys would like a follow-up on these bags or to see me wearing them, be sure to follow me on Instagram at pure.joylifestyle. And if you like this video and you found this review to be helpful, go ahead and thumbs up this video, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. You never know who wants to buy a bag from this company. I've seen it sponsored a lot on Instagram, so I know people are looking for it, and I know people are, interested in browsing the site. So definitely help a friend out, letting them know and sharing this video. And don't forget to subscribe and then tap the bell to get notifications. And then while you're here, go ahead and watch a new video. It's either going to be here or here. But seriously, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Until the next video. Bye, guys.